Hello everyone, good evening and good morning. I'm going to cook pancit canton, bell pepper, and chicken luncheon meat for our dinner. It's so yummy and very easy and also very delicious. You have to try, guys. Look at that. This looks so delicious. First, you have to put 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/2 onion chopped first, and also 4 cloves of garlic. You have to stir it and add 4 cloves of first garlic chopped. Then you have to mix it well. And then after that mix, when you see the onions and garlic it's cooked, you have to add the 2 pieces of small sliced carrots, and you have to stir it until the carrot is half cooked. And also you have to have 1 can chicken luncheon meat, which I bought in Walmart, and I cut it with a cube small size. As you can see, guys, subscribe, like, share, and leave comment, and don't forget the notification bell so you can update the video. And 1 cup of water, hot water or cold water, and then 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and make it 1 tablespoon of beef powder or chicken powder, either one, pork powder, and bring to boil, and 2 pieces of medium sliced bell pepper, red pepper, and then you have to boil it until the vegetables and luncheon meat is already cooked. So thank you to all my subscriber and supporter. Thank you so much that you always there for me to support me. And what I said, I just got out the hospital and I don't for almost 2 weeks. And also the add pancit canton, 1 pack of pancit canton is like dry rice noodles, but I soak that the water, guys, so it's not too crispy. And then you have to mix it well. The pancit canton is easy to cook because it's already soaked, and make sure when you add the pancit canton you cook the vegetable or some egg white first, so your pancit canton is not look very mushy. Add onion leaves or scallion. I slice that slanting, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper I add, and also 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. You have to try, guys. It's very delicious and very cheap. And also 2 tablespoons of white sugar. If you have no white sugar, you can add brown sugar, either one. And you have it's well, really well, guys. And shout out to all my subscribers, silent viewers. Thank you so much that you always there for me and always come back my YouTube. And also add nor seasoning, like around 1 tablespoon to this. I don't put salt because it's already, the soy sauce is already salt, and also the beef powder. And I add, as you can see, the onion leaves or scallion. So the pancit or rice noodle is almost ready, guys. So enjoy and let's eat. And this is our dinner the pancit canton ordered and black pepper. It's very delicious, and as you can see, it's very cheap. You can buy the luncheon meat is like $2 in Walmart, and also 2 pieces of carrots, and then 1 pack one. It's very easy to make. So subscribe, leave comment, share, likes, and don't forget the notification. Thank you so much and to support, and God bless. Be safe, and thank you to all my silent viewers, and please leave comment. God bless. Bye. See you my next video. Look at guys, it's so yummy. You can eat it without rice or with rice. You can eat it as a snack. So look at guys.